Welcome to Canary, your smart contract guardian.
You can try for free by getting basic alert monitoring in a limited time. Let me show you. First, I'm gonna input my smart contract, nickname of it and my Discord webhook. Then click Start Monitoring. Here, you can see the smart contract I have inputted before. But what if I don't get my full needs like advanced rule alert? Or my free trial has running out? That's why I can full it by unlocking all full features with Canary. Easy payment, easy login, and voila. Okay, cool. Let me try input my second smart contract here. Here, you can see the amount of smart contract has been added. Now let's try with different approach. I will monitor my smart contract not with form input but by chatting with AI agent. Mad cool, right? I get instant reply in a short time. Cool. Here I can see my smart contract status, details and even recommendation based on its alert. I can ask this Canary to stop monitor my smart contract if I need. Here with Canary, I can still view and resume my paused monitored smart contract. Okay, now let me show you some alerts from my smart contract, generated by Canary. I can see the full alerts and filter them by my needs. I'm also able to search my contracts by their status, whether they're currently monitored or not. If recurring issues happen in my smart contract, the system will freeze it as a mitigation. Once fixed, I'll need to unfreeze it. In the stats, you can see the healthy smart contracts have increased to 2. Here are some alerts I received from Canary on my Discord. They include status, rules, and recommendations, so I don't need to open the Canary website to check my smart contract. Okay, now I'm going to do a demonstration in Agentverse. This is similar to the agent chat built into the Canary website. First, I can ask what Canary can do for me. The same goes for you too. Then, I can ask Canary about my smart contract's health status here. I can see the monitoring status, critical security metrics, and recommendations for each of my smart contract alerts provided by Canary. Let's monitor another smart contract. We'll see. Don't wait. Use Canary now to safeguard your money and smart contracts.